Hi, this is Charlie Newshafer at New World Maps, and most days we're pretty busy packing maps that we've sold online. And today I'm showing you how we pack one of our road maps. Very simple, but we put a lot into this because we want the map to reach where it's going in good shape. And we start by a little printout, a big thank you with some ID about the map. It gets folded. We take the map, in this case a map of the Roosevelt Highway in 1937. We take our business card and we take a plastic sleeve and we slide them all together into the sleeve, and there they go. Makes a nice package. But the next step is even more fun, because then we get to use this really neat stiff mailer. We don't just stick this in a little number 10 envelope and then send it on its way. We want it to get to where it's going safely. So this is a stiff cardboard bag. It's called a Rigi bag. It's an envelope actually, made by Sealed Air. And we have printed a label with an address on it, and the postage is already paid. There's a tracking number, very important. Once again, not just a stamp on some little envelope. We want to be able to tell our customer a tracking number so they can follow it on its way through the mail. Sticky back label, right on place there, like so. Take a roller, just to make it stick even better. Back and forth a couple of directions. And there it is. And also with the added touch of a rubber stamp that says, "Please do not bend." Then the map in the sleeve into the envelope. The flap folds over. We use our little roller again. Voila, ready to go in the mail. Just like that. Safe, sound, won't get hurt, won't get lost, tracking number. We love these bags. We've used thousands of them. Happy mapping.